iOS 18.2 Beta 1 just dropped earlier today, so here are some of the new features. First off, we have ChatGPT integration with Apple Intelligence as well as with Siri. Now if we head into your settings application and select on Apple Intelligence and Siri and scroll down, and there's a new option right here, ChatGPT. So now we can set it up, and also you don't need a ChatGPT account or the app installed. We can just set it up from the settings application. Click on it next and then just enable it. So for example, if we open up our notes application, we can click on the Apple Intelligence icon where we have the writing tools. We can scroll down and click on compose, and you can see that ChatGPT will help us compose this message. So this will also work with Siri if you ask a more advanced question. For example, who are the top 10 scorers in the NBA in 1999? And then you'll get the option if you want to use ChatGPT, and you'll see we'll get the list of players. We now have a new look in the mail application. So we now have categories for specific things in our email. We have primary, transactions, updates, and promotions. So it's very similar to other mail applications like Gmail. But if you're not a big fan of this feature and you want to remove it, you can just click on the three little dots right here in the upper right hand corner, and we can just change it to list view. So just like the battery charger limit on iOS 18, there's now a volume limit. If we go into sound and haptics, scroll down, there's now a built-in speaker volume limit option. We can turn that on and we can set it to whatever percentage we want. So if you have the camera control feature, which is for the 16 Pro and Pro Max, and we actually tap and hold onto it, it's going to bring up this option right here, and this is the new visual intelligence feature on 18.2. So right here I have my MagSafe battery pack from Apple, and if I click this option that's on the right, it's going to search with Google on what this item is, and it's going to automatically detect it really quickly that it's an Apple MagSafe battery pack. Now if I click on this left option, it's going to give a brief description of what this item is using a ChatGPT. So there's actually two more features on iOS 18.2, which is the Genmoji support and the Apple Playground app. But unfortunately, I'm currently on the waitlist right now. So whenever I do get accepted, I'm going to make a video on it ASAP. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys want more videos like this, make sure to hit that like and follow button.